Srimay, a talent development specialist. I help people to unlock their true potential. You've started watching the third part of the video series where I started talking about why change is so difficult. In part 1 and part 2, I tried to explain about all that. If you've not watched that, go ahead and watch that right now. It is in my YouTube channel and also available in my Facebook. Now, focus and purpose are like chicken and egg story. Now, you cannot stay focused unless and until you have a strong purpose. There is no reason to stay focused. You have to be driven. You have to have a goal in your life so that you go towards it and you stay focused for that, right? And second thing is that if you are not focused, you can never achieve your purpose truly because you keep getting distraction. In this video, in part 3 of this video series, I try to explain you that how exactly we can increase our focus or practice focus, and how can we find the purpose in life. So I'm going to give you top 3 tricks on that. Trick number 1. Multiplication by subtraction. What it basically means that if you really want to multiply your growth, if you really want to multiply your focus, your attention, and your productivity or performance, you first need to start subtracting the distractions in your life. Distractions such as negative people, negative energy, negative news, and spending hours and hours swiping the cell phone, not doing anything productive. First of all, start reducing, start subtracting those distractions. Unless and until you do that, you can never ever stay focused. Trick number 2. Routine gives rewards, which means that unless and until you have a routine, it will never give you a good reward. You will always feel dissatisfied in life, and somewhere suddenly you will think that you're in a deadlock. Okay, you will feel like that. So always follow a routine. People who follow routine, somehow they attract a lot of energy, they attract a lot of money, they attract a lot of happiness and a lot of peace, because they are always planned and they do 1% each day rather than trying to do 100% just one day, because people who try to do that, they never get success, right? So you have to do 1% each day. So in order to do that, and that's what Steve Jobs said, in order to do that, you have to follow a routine. Watch your day, people that you're meeting, try to be with people who can really help you, give you good energy. Watch your routine. Try to write your goals. Before you sleep, ask a question to yourself. Did I do something which actually took me closer to my goal? And after you wake up, ask yourself that what am I going to do today which will take me closer to my goal. Last but not the least, the last trick of the game is let the air always with you. Now, what does AIR stand for? Accept, improve, reject. Which means that no matter how much you try to subtract the distractions, no matter how much you try to avoid people and watch your routine, life will always take over. There will be situations, there will be people whom you cannot just avoid. So therefore, remember, accept that. Accept failures. It's all right to fail sometimes in life. Number 2 in AIR is improve. Once you accept that, try to make sure that how can you do better in the next day. Not do better in next 3 years or or 5 years. How can you do better the next day itself? How can you avoid more number of negative people the next day? How can you stop watching more negative news the next day, right? So improve. And the last but not the least, no matter how much successful you are and how much you're able to say no to people and how focused you are, there will be situations and people who will never accept you, who will always laugh on your even if you're successful, they will try to mock you, they will try to comment you, right? Just reject them, just ignore them. Learn to ignore and move ahead to your goal. So that is all about the 3 tricks of how to stay focused and how to find purpose in your life. This is Srimar Mahapatran signing off. Now remember one thing, if you really learned something and if you truly want to be in that 5% of the growth people, then go ahead and write in the comment box, I'm ready to learn, I'm ready to learn. And also join my Facebook group, where I know that when life takes over, you need positive energy and motivation so that you stay focused on your goal. So that's exactly what I do in my community. So go ahead and join my Facebook community and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay tough, and keep doing things which take you closer to your goal.